Hello bestie, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and this is the first time you are seeing me, hello, welcome. But if you are a subscriber already, hi, thank you for coming back. And it's good to have you here again. So guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I made this authentic neem oil for body and for hair. If you want to know how I make it, just stay to the end while I dive into it. We will be needing just two ingredients for the preparation of this magical oil, which are olive oil and neem powder. You can use any oil of your choice. In an empty jar, go ahead and measure 1 cup of olive oil, which is 250 ml of olive oil. Then you go ahead and add 30 grams of neem powder, which are 2 tablespoons of neem powder. After that, you give it a good stir for all the neem oil and neem powder to get mixed with the olive oil. After that, in a pot of boiling water, you put your jar inside of it and close it with a lid. Then you cover the pot. This is called the double boiler method. This method is very safe and is the fastest way to make oils. Okay, it's one of the safe and fastest ways to make oil. Then after covering it, you lower your gas, and please, this my jar is a heat resistant jar. So after putting it, you close it and reduce your heat to a low heat. Then you start cooking. You come and be turning it interval per interval. Let's say every 2 minutes, come and be turning it. So as we are doing this, now let me talk about some of the benefits. Let me talk about this neem oil. Neem oil is known for its ability to encourage hair growth by nourishing and strengthening the hair follicles with its rich ingredients like vitamin E, calcium present in the neem oil prevents loss of hair proteins and thus benefit against hair loss. Neem oil is loaded with antioxidants that prevent hair thinning due to air pollution, excessive heat and sweat, and excessive stress. Neem oil regenerates the hair follicles and promotes hair strengthening and hair growth. If you have watched this video to this extent and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Give this video a thumbs up for engagement here on YouTube and drop a comment down below if you have any questions, comment or suggestions. Also share this video to whom you feel needs it. Here are some of the benefits of using neem for your hair. It conditions your scalp, it promotes healthy hair growth, it temporarily seals hair follicles, it smooths frizz, it minimizes grays, it reduces dandruff, it treats lice, it conditions dry hair, it prevents hair thinning, it prevents split ends, it prevents greasy hair, it treats itchy scalp, it treats damaged hair, it stops breakage, and it encourages shiny and long hair. And also, it treats scalp infections. Neem oil naturally cleanses and smooths the scalp to combat the spread of dandruff, moisturizing the scalp to control the growth of the fungal microbe. Neem oil can be used to fight against free radicals to stabilize your atom composition because it contains high level of antioxidants. Neem oil contains antioxidant, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. Neem oil can help kill lice and their eggs on your hair. So using neem oil is one of the best options to keep your hair healthy and strong. After putting your jar in the pot of hot water, you cook on a very low heat for 45 minutes, but you'll be coming and be stirring minimum 2 minutes interval so that the thing will not be stiff at the down of the this thing. So after cooking for 30 to 45 minutes, then you just go ahead and turn off your gas cooker. After turning off your gas cooker, you leave it, allow it to cool. So once it is cool, you bring it down. Like in this place, I will not be filtering it, but you can filter your own. I will just go ahead and strain it right from the neem jar to my sterilized bottle. You can use this oil to treat skin rashes and skin infections. You can use this oil on your skin. You can use this neem oil as hot oil treatment. You can simply massage the oil into your scalp daily. You can also use this oil, you can mix it with every other oil and use on your hair. So this is this for this video. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If so, let me know in the comment section. See you all in the next one. Bye and love you all.